Hello everybody, this is Nora with NFG57, and on this video we're going to create what I'm calling butterflies in the sky with this beautiful sky blue gel polish from AIMEILI number 059 that was sent to me for review. And I'm going to pair for the design, I'm going to use this 011, which is almost a white. I'm going to use their blossom gel as well as their no white top coat, of course. So let's begin. Here I am, you see me applying the first coat. And this is my first time working with Skinner, Little Miss Skinner. If you notice some streak marks under the polish, that's because I am applying this Colorado latex base on her nails. Yes, because I do plan to be able to peel this off and keep these nails on her to be able to keep using them. Here I'm showing you what that first coat of the color looks like. It applies beautifully. Now I'm going to cure it with a portable lamp that I'm holding over her hand. And this can easily cure. It usually cures in 30 seconds, but I use the 60-second button because this is a low wattage lamp. And this is the second coat. Here for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to start with the blossom base in clear. You do not cure this, okay? So you apply one layer, thin layer of this, and I just started with the 011. Like I said, this is almost a white, but it's not a pure white. It's a good substitute for white. And I was just not planning to create any roses or flowers, but it started kind of random. I figured, well, let me go with the flower or rose effect, but I wanted something different in the alternative nails, so I went with some stroke lines here that turned out looking more like clouds by the time I'm finished, which is what inspired the design. Then I used these are some of my 5 water decals. Of course, I kept them in water for a few seconds, and after that I was able to peel them off the backing and place them on the nails with my Beauty Big Bang stamper. Going to finish with my AIMEILI No White Top Coat over all the nails. Cure for 30 seconds. And this is the end result. I hope you guys like it. I think it turned out quite lovely. I'd like to thank AIMEILI for sending me this beautiful blue polish to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.